So guys, and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate avatar video using Google Vids completely free of charge. I think you have up to 10 different creations that you can do with this Google Vids. I'm not sure, but you can try it. You can keep generating and see what you are going to create. So what you need to do is to start by coming to your browser, open your Chrome. You can go in here and just search for Google Vids. Right, and you just select the first option, AI powered video creator. You can go ahead and click on sign into Vids, select an account, and then you can select from in here. So you can create AI avatar video, which is very new feature, which is our target for today. You can generate on landscape, portrait, or square, or you can start from a blank page. But let's say you're going to do AI avatar. Now in here you have to paste in your text. Right, so I have this text. Hello and welcome to this channel. Please remember to subscribe to keep enjoying videos like this. Now you are free to use current scene, or you can check the old scene if you're interested, but I want to use the current scene. And then you can select the avatar. The default is this friendly higher pitch. You can change this where you can see bunch of different avatars that you can test.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers
The voice you select makes a difference in how The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers respond to your video. The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers respond to your video.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers respond to your video.
I'm going to go with this guy, and then we can select, and then we're going to have him to do this. At the beginning, you can preview, but it's not going to have the perfect lip sync until after the complete generation. So let's go ahead and click on preview.
Hello and welcome to this channel. Please remember to subscribe to keep enjoying videos like this.
You can see it has given us the correct voiceover, but then you can see lip sync will happen after rendering. So once we click on generate, that is when it is going to generate with perfect lip sync. So let's go ahead and do that. And all right, as you can see, the video has just been generated. So let's play it.
Hello and welcome to this channel. Please remember to subscribe to keep enjoying videos like this.
Lip sync. This was done with perfect lip sync, and you can go ahead and do that with as many generations as you want. Just need to put in the text that you want to be written or to be read by the avatar, and you can go ahead and generate and then add it to your timeline. You can also add another page to this, and you can do another one directly with another avatar. All you need is just to select, change the avatar if you need to.
The voice you select makes a difference.
Let's say we go with this, then you can give the text. Alright, so let's say I have this text and I select this reader. I can go ahead and say review.
I hope you are following this tutorial as it is extremely easy to understand. Don't forget to smash that like button.
As you can see, lip sync will happen after rendering, so I'm just going to go and generate and let's see what this brings. Alright, and as you can see, it's been generated, so let's play to have a preview of what you have as well.
I hope you are following this tutorial as it is extremely easy to understand. Don't forget to smash that like button.
Perfect. And I think you can add some transitions as well in between the two. So let's go with slide and let's go with slide down. Okay, so let's reduce the duration. Let's play to have a preview.
Enjoying videos like
I hope
this.
you are following this tutorial as it is extremely easy to understand. Don't forget to smash that like button.
Fantastic. So if you're done, you tested everything and you like it, you can come over here to share. You can download, export to your drive. You can download an MP4. You can copy the link and share with people. You can download as GIF. Let's go ahead and download as MP4, and then we'll have it played outside of Google Vids. You can see it very fast. And let's click to have it.
Hello and welcome to this channel. Please remember to subscribe to keep enjoying videos like
I hope
this.
you are following this tutorial as it is extremely easy to understand. Don't forget to smash that like button.
This basically concludes this tutorial about the use of Google Vids to create AI avatar videos completely free of charge. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.